Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my new vlog. Today, guys, do you see something different? Now, do you see? What is that yellow thing? Yay! Cockatiel. And you want to guys see his name? His name. You want to see his name, guys? I'll show you. Come here.
His name
Look
is
here. Look. This is his name. Hyro. I also posted a post in my channel about this and it was so cute. So cute. And I want to get it out. So, camera girl. She's my camera girl. She's my camera girl. Okay. I need to get her out. Get him out. Oh my god. Camera girl, come here. Camera girl, come.
Bata.
Yeah, camera girl is so bata.
No.
Yes.
Chicken.
It's not a chicken.
And
And she's scared of her.
No.
Camera girl is not scared of her. Camera girl is not scared of her. Look at this little thing. This is our new family member.
She's a baby.
New family member.
She's a baby.
And guys, if you don't know what's this, I will show you. Brother, come here. Hey, Bada, be careful she doesn't fall because.
No.
Be careful.
No.
Hey, Bada, come in front of it. Oh my God.
Wait.
And guys, he can also climb his set. Look, he's trying to climb. He's climbing. He is climbing. Oh yes, he is climbing. Oh brother, what happened? Oh, okay, he started. He's again. And here we go. The world competition. He won the competition. Brother, can you look? Can you look? Guys, my little sister made a house, but it's so dark. She would not survive. That's good. They have the food and water. That is not good. And I will, guys, show you what is it. In the internet, I will show you what is it. Guys, it's this, but it doesn't have this thing. It's a baby, like in months, like days, weeks or months, it will have this little thing. So, but that is not having that thing. So it will have it next in the like 30 like in 15 or 16 days. What?
No. She's eating.
What she's eating?
Halloween.
No, she's scratching it, not eating. She's eating. We need to comb her. It's so bad. We have to comb. Guys, she said she will put this in her head or shoulder. Like how I put it.
Head.
So let's put it.
Head.
Yeah, let's put it.
But what about my ponytail?
It's okay. She will not just eat it or something. Sure. Come.
I'm gonna sit here.
Okay. Now she will fly. He will fly. Sorry, I always think it's a girl, but it's a boy. Or I don't know if it's a gender. don't know which gender is her. Her or him, I don't know. But I say it's like boy. Okay, guys, I will just grab him. 1, 2, 3. Oh, wait. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god. She wants to pick her own cage. He wants to pick her own cage.
He wants to pick her own. He wants to pick
Will you get it? Will you fly with it? Will you ever fly with it? Tell me. Will you fly?
No.
Away.
No.
Will you fly?
No.
Why not?
Because I say no.
Okay, I am gonna pick him. And why you're scared? You said you would.
What
It looks like a yellow pigeon, yeah?
What if he eats my pony?
Oh my god. No, he won't.
He's kind.
Yeah. Especially the baby. They are little shy but little scared. So it's okay if it is shy. Just. Oh my god. Let's put her. She always comes at the edge. I don't know why. Troubleshoot of it. Trouble of shooting. She likes to sit on the TV. Look. She's now sitting on the TV remote. This is the TV and she wants to turn it on. Okay, I'll turn it on for you.
Here.
Okay, and now I need to put it. Why you're scared, huh? Camera girl is scared. It will be nothing. Oh, it's kind of naughty also. Like, look where it will go. It's seeing everywhere. Yes. Take. Oh, move.
I have a great idea.
Yes. What is inside?
I have
Tell
a
me.
great idea.
What?
We put the bird there, then she can walk slowly to the room.
Oh my god.
Should we go?
Her feathers is so good. Look, I will lock you. Lock.
Yuck, yuck.
Wait, not that much. Okay. Are you good? That's what you get. Now climb on my feet. Oh my god, these nails. She wants to go here.
She
Eh,
wants to
go there. Oh, jump. Jump.
Down. Put her inside here.
Okay, but first, can she come out? Can he come out? Oh, brother, can you come out?
Come.
Come. Oh my god, I have to take her out from the hand. Oh my god.
She's hiding.
Oh my god, where the brother?
Upon you
Ooh,
put... Yeah.
she went out and now... Oh, naughty.
Naughty.
She's naughty.
She's naughty.
Wee.
She's naughty. She's naughty.
Oh my god.
She's naughty.
Oh my god, her talent. Oh my god, she balances. What's the... How? Oh my god, she's sticky.
She's sticky.
She got stuck, guys. What should I do? Oh, hold it. Come hold it. Hold it. I need to get out. I can't hold her now. She's stick with it. Oh, brother.
She likes it. this.
Why? But why she is trying to eat? It's not for eating.
That's for eating. Wait, guys.
Finally, I got it out.
Yay!
Give me.
Look at this.
Give me. We have to also put it in your head. We also have to put it in your head. Come. Okay, I will. Look at this.
She's smiling.
Okay, so
My friend.
now come brother, on my shoulder.
Put her down.
She also comes at my shoulder.
I want to take a picture of her.
Yeah, so take a picture on my
Put
shoulder.
her down.
Guys, let's see if my bird loves her. My cockatiel. Come. Yeah, come. Oh my God! Oh no. She will now. Do not fall. Do not. Oh my God! Oh my God. Okay.
I think he loved this couch.
Okay then. Sit
down.
relax. The kingdom of the bird. Look. The kingdom of the bird. In the ground. Okay, now should we put it at you? No. No. It's okay. Ouch. She combs itself from her. She combs her hair from herself. You know? She combs her hair from herself.
Hello, how are you? Good. Are you good? Yes.
Why are you yellow?
Because the onion made me yellow.
And why are your cheeks orange or red?
Because I'm cute.
And why are you sheeping talking?
Because I want my eyes to rest.
And why are you ganja?
Because I'm a baby.
And what's this red?
It's my horn.
Okay, but why you were trying to bite me when I did like this?
Because I love you.
So when you love me, you bite me?
Because I want to kiss you.
Yeah, but you're instead biting me. Look, I will do.
I love you. I love you.
I love you too, but I love you too, but do you love me?
Yes.
Okay, then if you love me, will you listen to me?
Yes.
What question I can do?
Feed me ice cream.
Will you eat ice cream?
Yes.
Will you get sick?
No. I'm a bird.
But I think ice cream is not safe for you.
Then give me chicken nugget.
That's so big you can't eat.
Then give me bird. Then give me baby Oreo.
Baby Oreo is also big for you. You have a small beak. How will you eat from your small beak? Look.
And you will do pieces for me. I will eat.
I'm not good at pieces. I will still be, and I will still make big pieces.
Then I will eat baby sheep.
Okay, I can bring baby seed from me. Okay, I brought you food. Here you go.
I want chicken nugget. My chicken nugget.
You can eat this.
Yummy chicken nugget.
I can't bring you chicken nuggets. It's so heavy and It's not edible for you. You are so small and you are a bird.
Give me now. I want to eat. Feed me.
Yeah, so I'm giving you. I will.
Give me
Should I pick you and put you so you can eat?
No. Give me.
Okay, then
Give
here
me
you
with
go.
your hand. Give me with your hand.
Okay, I would eat.
Yeah, yummy. Give me with your hand. Give me with your hand.
Okay, I will take little.
Yeah, yummy, yummy. Yum, yummy, 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 yummy. Yummy, yummy. Yummy, 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 yummy.
Is it good?
Yes, it is very good.
I told you baby seed would be good.
Yeah. Yes. Mama, can you feed me? Of course.
Now mama can.
Mama. Here you go. It's like this.
Wait. Come back. Here, bird. Bird.
But,
Cockatiel.
okay.
Hyro, come here, Hyro.
Clean, clean, clean.
Okay, now.
Hello.
Hello.
My name is
What's your name?
Hello.
Okay, you said it correct. Now eat your food. If you get a question correct, then you will get food.
You want to eat? You want?
I will ask you some questions. And
I
you
will
have to answer it, or else you will not get food.
And
Okay, first question. What is your age?
1 year old.
Okay, you got that correct. So
Hello.
eat.
Take.
Now eat little. Okay, now, second question.
If
When is your birthday? Okay, what's your age? What's your birthday?
60.
What?
60.
No, it's 16. But it's okay. You still struggle. So here's food.
There's food here. There's food. Yeah. Come here. Come here.
Wait.
Aban, when she is the winner, I will give her the seat.
Okay.
That's it.
Mama is also feeding you. Are you happy to see us?
Yes.
Do you love us?
Yes.
Okay. Now take food. Food.
That's enough.
No, let him give.
Yummy.
I told you. I will feed you from my hand.
Also, Mama.
Yeah.
Mama will give you a seat.
Okay.
Seat.
Whoa, where are you going? Oh, camera girl. Oh, with the flash on.
Mama's also coming. Mama's also coming to eat feed you. Come here. Come. Aban, can you hold? I can't feed her.
No, I need to feed.
First,
Hey, come back. Camera girl, where are you shooting? Yeah. It's relaxing. It's tickling. Okay, guys.
Now I will feed you.
Guys, if you love this video with my new pet, then share, like, subscribe, and open the notification so you can get more videos and not miss that. So bye.